How to make neat and very strong crimp joints in heavy mono. Firstly, thread the double crimp and swivel on the line. This is a 100-pound mono. Knots are large, awkward to tie and reduce the strength of the mono. First thing you want to do is melt the end, the tag end, with a lighter. Just let it start to blob up. That's enough. Let it cool down. By melting the tag end, you can pull it up tight and there's no tag end to catch your fingers on or get weed on it. That's just a really neat joint. Once you pull it all tight, you want to use good quality cup to cup crimping pliers. They'll produce a far superior joint to any long nose pliers or electrical crimping pliers, what would do a poor job. Then you stick them in your crimping pliers, the cup to cup. Get it nice and neat, lined up. Give it a good squeeze. And look at that. A lovely neat joint with no tag end to catch your fingers on. You can't ask for better than that.